Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing well. So in this video, I have this instance and I have a credential here. And within that, I want to do some admin stuff, but I don't want to go by myself. I will be using the AI tool to do the stuffs. Okay. So this is I have a not Moodle, not IMAD. I have Moodle installation. I think it's Moodle 5.1. That is not something needed. So I am asking here create a user name details below. Correct? Name the the username the 1 2 3 4 5 password. Let's say this. Alright. I am going to say PNA. This is the password I am going to use. Email. You can use the sample at the rate yokmail.com. So this is the details I want to create. Okay. Then create another user. Assign any one available course. So I'm going to say this. So this is my prompt here. I am going to use. So I have a working Moodle installation. This is the credentials and the URL. Create a user and assign any one available course. So I can check here. I do have one course, two courses, but let's see. I am going to ask this the Antigravity to check whether it is able to do the admin related task or not. Correct. So I have just entered here. I have pressed the enter and you see it is generating. That means it is started. It has started working on that. Cool. It is saying, yeah, allow once. So you see it is opening URL. So anti-gravity you can use to do your admin task itself. So once you have the things in organized way, like I have given the prompt like this. So this is the credential and this is the user and you just do this. And in case you have to create a course, you put it some data in any specific directory, we have file there. So you can write the complete steps. Okay. The steps is like your prompt. So whatever the step you put, that is your prompt and it should be doing based on that. And let's see whether it is going to perform this or not. Yeah. So this is the new request. So ideally it should take some of the time in for making the connection. So opening that one page first, then yeah. So this is prompt. Okay. So now you see its browser opened by. I am not doing anything here. So it is just opened by. You see here getting down. So it's not me. And you can also see the transcript here. Okay. So transcript in the sense you see uh message typing admin in the browser, so clicking password field and this. Okay, so you see this is the step it is given and yeah, it is doing the job. Okay, so I can minimize both so you can see whatever the response is coming in. in textual form, and whatever is coming here over the screen you can see both. Got it? So this is not just for doing your administrative, your coding part. It is also be doing your administrative task. So now you see here it is clicked open the user creation form, and now it will be adding the details like I had given. Okay. Got it? So username is this, password is this. Wow. So it's created. Okay, so you see how you can use this tool not just for doing the coding. As an administrator, you can put this tool on your LMS to handle the task you ideally should be doing at your end. Okay, and now it is coming to. I had also given here the command you have to go to. You have to assign one of the courses. Now it come to the manage courses. Then it will be selecting any one of these two courses available. But let's see which one it selects. Okay, so you also see here it scroll 1000 px vertically now. Whatever the step it will doing, you can see here. Okay, so now it should be clicking over the enroll user, but let's see. Yeah, so it is doing what all needs to be done. Yeah, so it is on the final step. Well, so you see here it just type the name and it is selecting, and whatever it's doing, you can see here on the right side, and you can also see the plan at the end. Okay, you see it has click over the, and now you see it is involved. Well, and let's see what output at the end it comes up. Well. So this is how you can manage administrative tasks, and even you can take that course. Okay, so you can take any courses. So I will also be creating the video around that. So I have a complex course, but I want to pass with these marks. Then how this AI will be doing for me? Okay, so I can test that one. So you see here, I have the details at the end. So I have working this. So this one my prompt. I give in the credential, then I ask this to do, and yeah, it has done everything, whatever I have written here. So now I can see this is the response, the final response. I have successfully created a user this, okay, and enroll them in available course, consumer course on your Moodle installation this. Okay, so this is how easy for this AI tools to handle the administrative tasks in a Moodle. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you have enjoyed this one, and now you can ask this tool or any other AI tool you love or you can trust on. You can use that one for your administrative tasks. So this is all from this video. If I come back here, I can see I can go to this. I can go to this particular user. I can check in as a login as. So whatever the step you'll have to check, you can also go through that. So I can see this is my enroll course. I can access that one. So this is all from this video. If you like this video, please feel free to hit me a like, comment, and share. And if you have not subscribed, please go through that for upcoming videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.